To make a French knot, you'll need the project that you're working on, yarn of a different color, darning needle, and scissors. Start off by cutting a piece of yarn that's easy for you to work with and thread it onto your needle. With the threaded needle in your dominant hand, you'll need to come up from the back to the front on your project. Once your yarn is in the front, place your finger to hold this yarn that's up here. Then put your needle under the yarn that you just pulled through. Wrap it around one time, and then place your finger here to make sure that this piece of yarn doesn't go anywhere. We have one loop on our needle here, and we'll need to go back down into the project. And when you go down, you want to go a couple of threads away from where you came up. So let's go right here, and then pull your needle all the way through. Make sure you don't let go here, because this will make sure that the knot becomes really tight. So let's pull, pull, pull. And there we are. That's our French knot right there. I use this technique to make spots on mushrooms, and I also used it on my fantasy top right here. But you can really use French knots for anything. You can use this with crochet or with embroidery. So I hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave them in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.